me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Carry me they go, Jehovah carry me they go the beauty house.
Hello everyone, hello people, welcome to my channel. This is Deck Beauty. Yes, so guys, I want to show you how to use two color, any color of your choice, how to combine them together and do any head wrap. But today head wrap style is called twisting, and it's very simple to achieve. Just place the material together, put them together and place it on your head. Focus your eye on my hand, see what the way I'm just demonstrating it. Once you place it on your head, this style is very easy. We don't need to create any pleating, more pleating on the front side. No, that one is too much stress. So just divide the 30-70. The 30 is the short side, which is the 30. The longer one is the 70. You cross it, the short one will go up, the long one will go down. Now we are going to use the 30 to take it round, focus, see the way I'm doing it. Just make sure you take it round, make sure your gele is very tight, because this style does not require you have to knot it at the back. So you need pin to secure that place. Immediately you take it round and firm the 70. You just use pin to secure it. Then we start your twisting. This style is called twisted gele. This style you can use it for your English outfit, you can use it for your native outfit, and this style is good for all age group, young people, middle age, and the old people. This style is very good. It's very good for any occasion. You are going to church, you are going to any event, any celebration. This style is good as well. Okay guys, yes, so now you spread it. You just try and open the fabric, because before we place the two together, but before you start your twisting, try and open it wide, and when you open it, try and just open it. We are going to start our twisting right away. You can do your twisting from the left hand side or the right hand side, sorry guys. Anyhow you feel you are more comfortable, start your twisting. It's very easy. You can use any color of your choice. You can use red and white, depend your outfit. This my gown I wear is just that I don't want to go and change. I already use this cloth to do another style before. I said let me create another style. So guys, you can use any color, depend your outfit. By the time you twist it to the tip, just see the way I just place it on my head. It's very easy and unique. It's very easy and unique. If today is the first time you come across my video on YouTube or Facebook, yes, I have many videos on my YouTube and many styles that will help you. I have different styles on my YouTube channel, and I have different styles on my Facebook. Yes, guys, I have two Facebook. Yes, this one you are watching me from is Deck Beauty. I have another Facebook, which I always do live on Facebook, teaching them how to apply makeup and gele, different head wrap. That one is called Deck Beauty Life. When you spell Deck Beauty, you space, you write Life, joiner, L-I-V-E. I will write it there. Okay, please try and follow me on that page as well. As you do so, God will bless you. Yes, we are into makeup, we are into gele, we are into traditional bridal hairstyle, different style of traditional bridal hairstyle. Contact me, I'm available to travel. Yes, guys, this style is very easy. As you can see, I just tucking the back. Make sure the back is very neat. That is it, guys. 2 minutes, 3 minutes, you can do this style. It's very easy, very easy. Yes, so my number is there in case you want to buy makeup product. I sell makeup product as well, and oil perfume. Contact me. I will post it to you wherever you are. Thank you, guys. This is the final. I'm sweating. That is the reason I don't want to get up, because this my handless. I wear suit before. I put suit on top before, but I just take it off because of the sweat. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. See you on my next video. Let me put my music. Bye.
Deputy.
In case you need your gele to be tied.
Deputy.
Looking